While the controversial legal battle between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard goes on in court, the internet is equally involved and invested in it. Apart from messages of encouragement and support for Depp, multiple old videos are resurfacing on social media. People can't help but notice that the 59-year-old actor looks uncomfortable around the 36-year-old actress. One such resurfaced clip, reportedly from the premiere of the 2015 film Mordecai, has gone viral. In the video, Depp can be spotted giving a red carpet interview, and though he is respectful and professional, he also seems very anxious and uneasy. Amber is standing beside him while he gives the interview, and the way Depp acts around her has caught the eye of fans who are scrutinizing her expressions and body language.
You like to go anywhere he goes.
As much as this video may appear inconsequential, if it gets its way into the appeal court, it may help Depp's legal team prove the relationship went rogue way before the divorce. So what else do we know about this clip? Let's find out. The description of the video that has since gone viral reads, "This isn't the only time he looked at her for approval in past videos and seemed generally uncomfortable around her. This one stuck out for me. It was at a premiere for Mordecai. Mind you, this is only 2 minutes yet. There was something odd going on. You have to look carefully at his body language. In the beginning, he mouths stop to Amber twice because she obviously didn't want him to do an interview. He then shook his head no, then proceeded with the interview. Notice he backed a little after locking eyes with Amber, fearing he upset her by going against her wishes. It continues. Notice he had a plaster on his finger too. Not sure if she injured it, but she certainly injured his middle finger a couple of months after this. While answering questions, he kept checking to see if she was okay with it. She pretended she was, knowing they were being watched. He perhaps unintentionally used words like out of control and difficult to reflect on the situation back then. In the end, he asked, 'Can we go?' Why should he even ask for her permission? She treated him like a dog throughout their whole relationship," it concluded. One user commented, "He seems to be looking at her for approval after he answers the interviewer's questions. Like, was that okay? I've been in an abusive relationship and grew up a victim of physical, emotional, and sexual abuse. My dad was violent to all of us, and I remember having to learn his facial expressions to know what to expect from him and my mom. There are abusive women, and I'm glad this is finally coming to light." Another wrote, "You can see her controlling him with just simple eye contact. He looks like he's waiting for an order on feedback on being a good boy. This is insanity. A perfect example of someone who's being abused." A third added, "She seems so annoyed that the attention is on him, and he seems so uncomfortable knowing she is perturbed. How anyone doesn't see what a weird person she is, I'll never understand." One user even noted, "I can feel his anxiety. He looks scared. She looks confident and happy to see him afraid." Another felt, "She's positively looming over him there at the beginning. The way she's leaning towards him, demanding him to look her in the eyes, that is not the body language of someone facing their abuser. Those are the movements of an abuser." A third said, "I can legit feel his discomfort through the screen. What a wicked woman she is." And lastly, another commented on the video saying, "Body language doesn't lie. He seems petrified like a child next to an angry adult, constantly seeking approval and trying to please his abuser and the people who are asking him questions at the same time. The uneasiness of Johnny Depp is so palpable. I have been in this position in social interactions, trying to put on a happy face, but feeling terrified of my wife and knowing what's coming at home, that for every single mistake I make, there will be consequences. My family members told me that I look troubled and scared around my wife and that they were worried for me. Nowadays, she is my ex-wife. Do you think this video will affect the case in any way? Let us know in the comments below. Remember, this information is based on theories and opinions, and therefore shouldn't be considered facts. And that's it from us today. Until next time, bye!